Hey, and welcome back. If you've been keeping up with our weekly videos on RV lifestyle, you know about a month ago we switched out our standard pin box for the Gen Y Gooseneck. If you missed that, you can check that video out right up here. Today is an exciting day for us. We get to hitch up and haul with our Gen Y Gooseneck for the very first time. We've heard so many great things about this gooseneck hitch, and we are eager to see how it performs on the open road. Although this is a short haul today, we're going to only go about 15 miles to the Grand Design Myrtle Beach Owners Rally. It's a perfect shakedown trip. So let's see how it goes.
Okay, so we're gonna back up onto this new Gen Y. We've already put it at hitch height. Here's the lineup. I don't know if it's really centered there.
Yeah, we're fixing to hook up for our first time. And the red latch right there, when I get down onto the ball, it will automatically lock. That's what we're looking for. Then we'll put our safety chains on. Okay? Good? Don't be too far over. We'll see if it'll drag itself. I'm going to have to get over a little bit.
So we just did another backup. It's still kind of far over. You want to look at it? I don't know exactly how much room it has to go down. Oh, the truck just rolled when you put it in park, though. Is it centered, though?
I'm still too far over here. I'm going to pull up and come back.
All right. Hold on. Nope. All right, so it took us a few tries to get right over the ball because every time Steve puts it in park, it rolls. So let's see. Come on down, honey. Once aligned over the ball, the ease of hooking up the camper to the truck is impressive. Gen Y does a great job of making the process smooth and hassle-free. We make sure the snap latch is in the open position and lower the camper onto the ball. When the latch trips, you know you're hooked up. Steve tried to raise the camper back up to perform a tug test. It wasn't going anywhere.
As I suspected, it's a little harder to align the truck and camper for a hookup than it was using the Anderson system. But it's not impossible. It's just going to require a little bit more experience to get used to it. I'm probably going to mount a backup camera on the bottom of the toolbox to assist with hookup, but I've already discovered a trick, at least on my Ram truck. If you align the hitch so that you come in between these two bolt holes in the tailgate, it'll be perfectly centered side to side. I only need someone to watch for me and tell me when I'm back far enough. Hopefully with the backup camera I'll be able to see exactly when to stop, so I'll get one of those ordered from Amazon.
We connected safety chains, emergency brake, and the electrical connection, and we are ready to go.
And there's that for that.
Alright, brake. No, you're just hooking it to the truck.
All right, now that we got this thing all hooked up, let's go see how she does.
As we hit the road, I can feel the stability and security that the Gen Y provides. I didn't really experience any chucking with the previous hitch, but this one, it feels like it tows softer. It doesn't feel as harsh of a ride. The bumps just feel softer. I mean, look at that flex. That shock that would normally be transferred to the frame. This is a perfect illustration of how the Gen Y suspension system helps to protect against excessive frame chatter. The Gen Y Gooseneck's innovative design really shines through as we navigate turns and bumps. It's clear that this hitch is built to handle any road conditions we may throw at it.
We just watched a video where Brinkley and Gen Y did some testing with third-party engineers, and it was amazing to see the difference in the vibration numbers. Brinkley showed the data and said that Gen Y was the most standalone beneficial thing they had ever installed to decrease frame chatter. They also measured the change in amplitude, and it made a huge difference. The final report from the third-party engineers expressed that the largest acceleration change was attributed to the Gen Y pin box, regardless of EQ setup. Check out that video here. So with that information, I feel that this is one of the best things I could do to protect our frame for our RV. But I encourage you, do your own due diligence and make that decision for yourself. Well, I need to do a little fine tuning. But hey, that was the purpose of this shakedown trip, checking to make sure everything was as it was supposed to be. I'm not satisfied with the distance between the overhang and the bed rails, but I do like how flat the camper toes. So I hope I can split the difference and gain a little more space between the bed rails and the overhang, but not so high that the camper rides high in the front again like it did with the previous setup. I'll do another video and show you how I correct this problem, so stay tuned for that. So overall, our first experience with the new Gen Y hitch has been nothing short of fantastic. We can't wait to make many more successful trips with this reliable hitch. We've only got 30 miles on it so far. We've been stationary longer than expected due to some health concerns, but we still plan on doing a follow-up video as soon as we reach that 1,000-mile break-in period, and we'll let you know our honest opinion then. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up if you like what we're doing, and ring that bell so you don't miss a single episode. Hey, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. We look forward to hearing from you. Until next week, stay safe out there and happy camping. This is a test. Does the volume work this time?
All right,
because it didn't work on any of the other times. So testing, 1, 2, 3. Hey, and welcome back. If you've been keeping it we've only got 30 miles on her so far, as we've only been, golly Moses. This has been, so far we can't, I can't even read because something freaking happened here. Gen Y hitch was the most standalone anymore. I can't wait to be done with this video.